I'm in a bad spot right now. The plant's down. I've got belts ordered. I don't know when they're gonna get here. It's just a belt holding us from running. You know, I mean, I could have that belt on there in 10 minutes so we could be, you know, putting gold in the box, which is what we need to be doing right now. I mean, Troy Taylor wants his 50 ounces by the end of the week. I don't have it. I'm counting on running to get his gold. And here we are at a standstill.
Rick Ness's operation is shut down, waiting on new drive belts. With no time to lose, Buzz scours the site for belts they can repurpose.
A bunch of fan belts. Those are definitely no good. No, it definitely ain't nothing in here. Maybe. There's no wash plant over by that wash plant. We can run over there, have a look at that, see if maybe there's something in there. This thing is old and knackered. Freaking trees growing all around it. Last chance we got. The seat belts. Oh, let's see here. They're a bit shorter. Here, you want to check where those belts go? See how much adjustment we got on there? I found some 120s. They're a little bit shorter, but if we get enough adjustment, it'll probably work.
Copy that. I'll meet you at the plant.
Hopefully, we'll be able to freaking make these things work. There's one. 2 belts. Not the greatest of shape, but if they get us through, that's what matters. Sweet.
You got something that works?
They're a little bit shorter, but
Ooh, they ain't brand new.
not in the greatest of shape. I've been sitting there for a while. Yeah, those other ones.
120s?
124s.
That's the adjustment rod that holds the pulleys in place, so. What we'll do is we'll let this down, which will make up all the slack to get the belts on, hopefully.
Buzz's drive belts are too small for Monster Red's conveyor system. Rick's plan? Make adjustments to the tension rod between the motor and the head pulley that controls the drive belt's size and tension by compressing it until the smaller belt fits.
All right, let's find out. Look at that. It's going in now. Just like that. Now we just gotta tension it up, which is why I have this nice come along here.
Okay.
I like that. We're adjusting the adjustment rod right now because this is a shorter belt.
Oh, almost.
Oh man, it's gonna be maxed out.
Yeah.
Oh, these are barely gonna fit. What do
That
we
is right there.
Right there?
I think
Let's see if
so.
I can get the bolt in.
Here we go.
Look at that.
There it is. Oh yeah.
I mean, they're shorter than the ones that were on there, but with the amount of adjustment we had in there, they fit just fine.
There's 2 millimeters
Yeah.
worth of space left.
Yeah. So
They're maxed out.
So we got lucky there. I mean, literally, if they were half an inch shorter, they wouldn't work. We're good to go. We get the water going, turn the plant on, and we're back up. Back up and running.
Yes. There it is.
Are you ready to feed this thing?
Oh yeah.
Get in that loader. Let's go.